Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like, comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel to not miss any update. Let's go ahead from a monthly perspective on gold, and as we can see here, we approach this resistance and we have rejected twice this three times this resistance, and we're failing to keep the momentum. We break these highs and we close back inside the range. We broke the lows, we ranged for a month, and now, as said on the previous video, we expected to fill this wick and overall to come to this support right over here. This monthly candle will close in 10 hours, so tonight, and I think the next monthly candle can potentially come up here, but maybe we have a consolidation month and then we tap this level. However, I believe this level will be retested. On a weekly perspective, we came back. We after we made this low, we come back again, form resistance. We failed to break the last lower high, and then we retested here, and now we're closing back in back below we made the new low on the weekly time frame this week, which should be very good confirmation for the next weeks to come to tap this support level, as we're failing to have any level of support to retrace overall and break these highs, because obviously we need to retrace at some point. We are in a clean traffic region. If we break this low on a daily time frame next week potentially, or even today, we can potentially come back below. I don't think, because since we are in a monthly candle, I don't think we will move 600 pips today to the downside. But we need to check any news. Do we have something today? Core PC index, okay. Not too much news, not very important and high volatile news, like non-farm payroll or something on a Friday, so I don't think this will move. I don't think we will break the lows here and then, but at some point we will break these lows, and then we have this clean traffic to the downside, and then we have this major support which we can retest at some point. On the 4-hour time frame, we found some support. Let's see, on the left side we have clean traffic on the 4-hour up until here. So we have our levels, we clean this arrow, and then we have a resistance right over here. We mark this level, we have a support right over here. So we are just in a range. We mark this with 2 alerts. And then whether we are consolidating on this 140 pip range. So if we close back above and then we come back, retest and break these highs, we can potentially move up. If we close above and come back inside the range, close below, break the lows, we can tap the support of the range. If we close below the range, come back inside the range, break the highs, we can tap the resistance of the range. And if we broke below, come back, retest, and then break the lows of the breakout candle, we can potentially move down for like 20-30 pip range, since we are on a Friday and we don't anticipate higher moves. So that's about it for gold. Let's go to GJ. From a monthly perspective, as we can see, we tapped this level of resistance. We were aiming for that resistance since this level here, since May, since June. If we go back, we were saying that we have clean traffic, the least resistance. If we break above here, and then we broke and close above here with this candle, and this candle was anticipated. However, these last 2 months, 3 months have been just low volume months, in this, if we go to the two previous videos, we were anticipating this. After we close here, we were anticipating a tap on this support, which we almost did. And but however, now on the fresh analysis, we have resistance, we have very strong resistance to the upside, and then we have very major support to the downside. So we are in this range. I believe once we break below here, we will be able to tap this level to fill this wick. And if we break above this level here, we may come up till here, but it's gonna be very hard. I don't see that coming as of now, because we need like all these highs on the weekly time frame to break. It's like 600 pips. Yes, we can do it, but we need to wait for confirmation, especially after this monthly is closing bearish. However, we never break the lows of the previous month or the highs of the previous month, so it's not very high indicative bearish candle changing momentum or something, because we didn't break these lows yet. And we are currently in an uptrend still, so we can just find support here, consolidate a bit, and then start moving higher, breaking these highs. So let's go on a daily time frame quickly. On a daily time frame, we have just resistance after resistance, level after level on this slow downtrend on the weekly. So we have this double bottom, as we used to call back in the days. We tap, we bounce, we tap again, and now we bounce. So from here to on after this daily candle yesterday closure, we could have easily had a buy level up until here. So I anticipate price to come up and tap this resistance on a daily time frame, but now the stop loss is very big. But let's see on a smaller time frame. So we are in the range, but we were on the range here, and then we had the breakout, and then we had the wick, the break of the highs, and would have been amazing buys on the break of the highs here with current candle and or the previous candle eventually on the playing on the daily time frame, or here also break of the highs on the 4 hour. But yeah, now we're approaching this resistance right over here. We're approaching this level here, so we need to be very cautious. I don't see anything for today on GJ. I think we missed the buys here, and or it played out earlier than we came to the charts. So yeah, because like here you have resistance every 30-40 pips you have resistance, and then you need bigger stop losses. And yeah, I don't like this. Here was buys, but then you had this wick to stop a lot of positions. But yeah, on the GJ I don't see anything clear. Let's go to 1 hour quickly. Maybe we have something. 1 hour, just this is the thing. 1 hour here, after this highs here broken, we came, we rejected, we tapped this support, we closed, we break the highs, closed bullish in gold this candle, break of the high, stop loss here would have been amazing trade. Like here for example, 34 pips, already 1-to-1 stops at break even. And the thing is that with stops at break even, here is very safe position. But now we're entering a new range here, and I don't trade on these type of ranges, ain't no way. So yeah, that's about it. And I don't think gold GJ is coming back below this range anytime soon, because if we would have closed below the range, maybe on the 1 hour, seeing that clean traffic here on the 1 hour, maybe I would be anticipating a tap. So maybe I will let an alert here, but I will be mainly focused on gold today, checking if he's breaking out of the range or not. And yeah, I'm gonna wait and anticipate. I'm gonna wait for the play out on gold on this level here where my 2 alerts are. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel.